Hello, so today we're gonna look at Fifine AM8 microphone. So first we can see it as RGB, USB Type-C connection, and as well XLR connector. First of all, when we open the box, of course it has the guide. Then it has a stand, so you can just put it on your desk if you don't have a mount. Of course you can mount it on a mount as well. Then we have the mic itself and the connector. They only give you the USB Type-C USB cable, so you don't get XLR, you need that yourself. So we're using USB, that's included. Here you can see two knobs. One is for the volume if you plug in your headphones into the mic itself, and one is the microphone. Then we have a RGB. So to change the RGB, there's a touch here, you just click it. And lastly, on the back you have a touch that mutes or unmutes the microphone. By the way, all this video I've talked in with this microphone, so what do you guys think? Comment down below.